Hello students, this is lesson 1 of your history book, How, When and Where. The first heading is how important are dates. So there was a time when historians paid attention a lot on dates related with king's life, means the year he married, the year he had a child, the year he fought a particular war, the year he died, and the year the next ruler succeeded to the throne. So for such events, historian could determine specific dates. But what about those that not happen on a particular date? For example, if I ask to you, tell me the date when Indian began to drink tea. So can you tell me a particular date that when you start drinking a tea? No, you can't, because these are the process. These are the taste that developed by the people for for a long for over a time. Okay, so what is the correct definition of the history? The correct definition of the history is certainly study about change that occur over period, means many changes occur over a period of a time. Like in the beginning, our ancestors were hunter gatherer. They do not cook food, they don't know how to cook the food. They used to live in a cave. At that time, there was no kingdom, no government, no rule, no morality. But now we have government, we have a state, country, we have religion, many culture, custom. It's mean all these things have been developed with the passing of the time. All these things do not develop at a single day. So, all these things we study in the history. So, in history, we study about the past as well as our present, and we make a comparison between the two. So, earlier, history was written with the perspective of rulers. मतलब ये कि पहले के जो हिस्टोरियंस होते थे वो ज़्यादातर राजा लोगों के बारे में लिखते थे. द किंग्स लाइफ, किंग्स प्रॉस्पेरिटी, किंग्स बैटल, means their whole writing revolve around the king's life. They so their writings, we we cannot find a single page on the life of the common people. But later on, historians start writing about other issues like how people earn their living, how they produce, they ate, how cities developed and markets come up, how kingdoms were formed, and many new ideas spread. So all these things, all these changes about the king as well as about the common people, we study in history. Dates are not important on their own. Dates became important in the perspective of those who were writing the history. So if we talk about a British historian, at that time British historians only focus on the deeds of governor generals, their achievement, their policy. तो जो ब्रिटिश हिस्टोरियंस होते थे, यानी कि जो ब्रिटिश के द्वारा अपॉइंटेड राइटर्स होते थे, वो केवल गवर्नर जनरल के काम पर ज़्यादा फोकस किया करते थे. उनके काम, उन्होंने कितनी लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी, उन्होंने ब्रिटिश अम्पायर को कितना ज़्यादा इन्हांस किया, ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को कितना फ़ायदा पहुंचाया, all these things were focused by the British historians. and it seems that there was nothing outside of their life as important as to know. ऐसा लगता था कि उनकी जिंदगी के बाहर कुछ भी नहीं है. सो उस समय की जो भी हिस्ट्री लिखी गई, ब्रिटिश हिस्टोरियंस ने जो भी हिस्ट्री लिखी, तो उसके थ्रू हमें आम लोगों के लाइफ के बारे में, उनकी लाइफ स्टाइल, उनकी थिंकिंग, उनका उनका लैंग्वेज, उनका बिहेवियर, उनका उनका ब्रिटिश लोगों के बारे में क्या सोचना था, all these things we were unable to know them. So the activity of a different groups and classes in Indian society had no place in history. तो हिस्ट्री में जो इंडिया सोसाइटी थी, जो विलेज में लोग रह रहे थे, उनके बारे में हमको कोई भी नॉलेज ब्रिटिश हिस्टोरियंस के द्वारा नहीं मिलती है.